So students, this is a question that a wire of 20 ohm resistance is bent in the form of circle, right? So now we can imagine it that this is the given wire which is bent in the form of circle. What is the resistance across its diameter? Now what is the resistance across its diameter? So let us think this question in this question. We are given that this is the wire which is bent in the form of circle. Now this wire which is bent in the form of circle, we have to find that how much resistance is along its diameter. So this is a question which is a kind of a, there is asking many things in disguise actually. That is that this circle, if you can think that this circle along its diameter, these are 2 points A and B. Now can you think that this wire along its diameter is now converted into two wires like this, A, B, along these 2 points. One is the first half of the circle, this is the first half of the circle, and this is the second half of the circle. Or, and you can further imagine it like this, that this is a parallel circuit, right? So this is what we are asked, that what is the resistance along its diameter. So students, here we can think, this is very easy question. In 360 degree, that is in this complete circle, we are having total of 20 ohms, like this is given. This is given that we are having total of 20 ohm resistance. So in 1 degree, there is 20 upon 360, right? This much resistance is there in 1 degree. Now along its diameter, we are covering 180 degree. So we can further write that along its diameter, the resistance is how much? If in along its diameter we are having 180 degree, right? So along its diameter we can write it as 21 degree. This is the resistance in 1 degree, and along the diameter we are having this, right? So it comes out to be 10 ohms. So along its diameter we come to know that when we fold this wire of 20 ohms in the form of circle, then we have calculated that each part of the circle along its diameter exhibits a resistance of 10 ohm each, right? So now we can imagine that this wire is connected in parallel along its diameter. Therefore, to find the resistance, we will apply the resistance formula in parallel, that is a parallel formula, that is 1 upon Rp is equal to one resistance, that is 10 ohm, and other 1 upon 10 ohm. Both are added like this way in parallel combination, and we get the total resistance of 5 ohm.